So just place the marker inside here.
No.
Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to the part 2 of this video. So today we're going to do the sketching on the actual shoe. Well, first things first, we got to take out everything. And then we got to prep the surface and just give him a good wipe. I just need to make sure that the surface is as clean as possible. Now I got some set of markers here. I'm gonna try all of these one. I got here some normal markers and some oil-based marker. I'm gonna do some trial run here. I wanna see if it smudges or not. Okay, this looks like they stick quite nicely. So now we can start. If you are not sure where to start, try starting somewhere that is not so visible. And if it doesn't work, we'll try another way. For these holes, we're gonna use a bigger marker. And then even a bigger marker for the eyelets. Wait, oh, what the? Okay, I guess it's stuck. I had to pull it out and change to a different marker and pretend that it didn't happen. As you can see here, I'm doing very lightly for these highlights because I'm also not quite sure which one I want to keep. So the one that looks good, we can actually double sketch on top of it. When I try to follow the trap patterns, it doesn't have any impact so much. So now what I'm gonna do is just make my own imitation trap pattern with longer intervals. And now I'm using this oil-based marker to make the outlines here. I will try to highlight the outlines between all the leather panels for this shoe. Well, you don't actually have to make it too neat because this is supposed to be imitating a sketch. So don't worry if your lines are not that neat. Next, we're going to highlight this logo also. Next, we're going to proceed with the laces. I think this is taking too much time, so we're going to improvise a bit. Let's just roll them up and then we're going to do the sketching like this. We only need to highlight the edges of the lace. And once we're done, we're going to flip to the other side. So now we're going to continue to sketch the outlines and fill out whichever portions that we want to highlight. Okay, now once we're done here, I think I want to add something at the sides. I've traced this swoosh logo on a masking tape and we're going to use it as our template. First, you gotta roughly mark the center point where you want to place the swoosh. And place it properly and make sure it sticks firmly so that it doesn't move around when you want to sketch on it. And carefully peel it off, and there we go. So now let's do our final touches at the ankle straps. And again over here, just try to simulate the thread pattern. So finally, this is how it looks like. And let's compare them side by side. So okay guys, there you have it. This is one of the ways that you can do to customize your shoes. Thank you for your time and thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe.